Hey YouTube, Legit Chicken with my friend Legends. And I want to show you my crib. Follow me. This is just the entrance. I have a few rooms in here. This is my shootout tower. And this is where you kill zombies at. Most of the time I don't ever use it, but it's still good to have. Next I'll be going to my, well, you can call it a living room, but it's a little too big for a living room. Go. Here's my living room. What's more, well, you live in here, so it's a living room. And it looks as if somebody has opened my door and didn't close it. And this is my disco hall. As you can see, this is my disco ball. And I've had some minor problems with the outside of this, and I had to fill it in. So we need to ignore that for now. Okay, moving on to my hell house, you can call it. Oh yeah, this is where I mainly shoot out of. Here. Dragons cannot kill you up here. Yeah, they cannot destroy any bloodstone or diamond. Follow me, let's go. Oh, this is guest bedroom. Guest bedroom. Okay, let's go down here to my house. Let's go down to my summer house. Well, it's summer all the time down here because it gets hot. And I have my own pool down here. I have my own pool. Right outside. Follow me. I'm right here, behind you. Let's go. I'm downstairs. It took many hours to build. Yeah, this is in hell. One time, my father came in and I had just built a bridge and I built a whole 2-story house on my other big house right here. And I built a bridge from there to there, and my dad came in here and turned off my Xbox because I was on too late, like 10 minutes later than I should have been. But yes, I was mad. The 3 or 4 hours constructing all this gone to hell. Well, no, I had to go get supplies. It was after the duplicating glitch was patched, the easy one. Before I knew there was other ones, so I keep on going getting supplies. Hey, and we're gonna go to my pool. Remember, close the door as you go. Here's my diving board, but it seems somebody is checking my stairs. I'm alright. I don't go into the deep end. I'm more right here. Every once in a while, if you want to go to a deep end, risk a little. You can always do that. Sometimes you get a little too hot in the hot tub and you kind of burn up. Like so. Coming back up top now. Yep. going back up to my I call it, well, I have to get some supplies. I'm gonna help get Legit Legend to help me up a little of this, cause it seems dragons can destroy lanterns. So, and you can, yes, they can. Come up here. That's not where you get up there, Legit Legends. Over here. You can see where the dragons destroyed some of it, because where all this rock is where it got destroyed. And I need to put some either diamond or bloodstone up here to help me fix it. That's why I need Legit Legends to help me. Okay, well, we're kind of in the middle of a video. And this YouTube is my crib. And brought to you by Legit Legend. He has all of your duplicating needs practically fixed. End it.